Hey there, TubeRoadmap enthusiasts. Welcome back to another game-changing video. Today, we're unleashing the secrets on how you can turn your creativity into cold, hard cash. I'm Sahu, your host and guide on this journey, and in this episode, we're exploring how you can earn as a creator. If you're ready to monetize your passion, stick around because we've got a roadmap just for you. Let's dive in. Define your niche. First things first, finding your niche. Whether you're into gaming, beauty, or DIY, identifying your passion and what sets you apart is crucial. A focused niche not only attracts a dedicated audience, but also opens up specific monetization opportunities tailored to your content. Build a brand. Now let's talk branding. Establishing a recognizable brand is key to standing out in the crowded online space. Invest time in creating a compelling logo, consistent visual elements, and a unique personality that reflects your content. A strong brand not only attracts viewers, but also potential collaborations and sponsorships. Diversify income streams. Diversification is the name of the game. Beyond ad revenue, explore different income streams. Affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission, can be lucrative. Consider merchandise. Your fans might love to sport your brand. And of course, sponsored content and collaborations are excellent ways to boost your earnings. Engage your audience. Your audience is your biggest asset. Engage with them through comments, social media, and live sessions. The more connected they feel, the more likely they are to support you. Encourage likes, subscribes, and shares to boost your visibility. A loyal community is more likely to contribute to your success. Plan for the future? Lastly, let's talk about the future. Stay updated on industry trends, be adaptable, and continuously evolve your content. Consider long-term strategies, like creating your products or expanding your brand into new territories. The more forward-thinking you are, the more sustainable your earnings become. Conclusion? As we wrap up, remember that the journey to earning as a creator is both exciting and rewarding. With the right strategies and mindset, you can turn your passion into a thriving career. Thanks for tuning in to TubeRoadmap, your guide to earning as a creator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy creating and happy earning.